Hey guys, this is Kristen at Cookin' in the County, and today I am here to redeem myself with the butterscotch pie. Now, if anybody has watched my butterscotch pie video, you could see that I failed tremendously. In my defense, I believe it was probably the recipes that I was trying to follow. I'm not entirely sure if I would have packed my brown sugar more, that it would have made a difference. Looking at, I watched a video last night at the Art of Creation Homestead, Angela making a butterscotch pie. Now, when I saw that, I thought, okay, that recipe makes sense. She has a cup of packed brown sugar to 2 cups of milk. Grammy Charette's recipe had 4 cups of milk to 1 cup of brown sugar. So I don't think there was anything that I could have done to make that recipe work. So today, I am going to follow Angela's recipe, and I'm going to see if I can make this stinking butterscotch pie. I even made a homemade pie crust. So I am praying that this pie comes out right. If it doesn't, you'll never see this video. Okay, I'm gonna do just as Angela has taught me on her videos. She says 1 cup of light brown sugar packed. Now I'm gonna pack this brown sugar just as much as I can pack it. Like I said, I don't think packing brown sugar was my issue with the horrible recipes poor Grammy Charette passed on to us after she passed away. I feel like she did it as a joke, so none of us could make her pie right. That's really what I think. This is packed, ladies. This is so packed. It's packed. It's 1 cup. I need 1/4 cup of cornstarch. I don't even have my stove on yet. 1/4 cup. And I'm gonna be using salted butter. So according to Angela, if I use salted butter, I don't add salt to this. So I'm not going to do that. So I need a whisk. And she says to have the sugar break up all the lumps in the cornstarch. So that is what I'm gonna do right now. All of this gets all mixed before we even turn the stove on. So this is how many ingredients? Brown sugar, cornstarch, a couple eggs, and some milk is all we're gonna be doing. Okay, the only lumps in here is from the brown sugar, and that will dissolve. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is add 2 1/4 cup of whole milk and 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. That's going in there. Whisk that up just a little bit. And 3 large egg yolks. 1, 2, 3. Okay, break them all up. And whisk this up a lot. Get everything broke up. Okay. And that's it, okay? And all we're gonna do is put this on medium. So I'm gonna say 5. And as soon as I get this whisked in, I need to be stirring this with a rubber spoonula. This isn't a spoonula. This is just a spatula, I guess. And I have to not let the dogs out. I cannot answer the phone. All I'm gonna do for the next 10 minutes is stir this butterscotch filling. And I'm gonna pray to the butterscotch gods that I can redeem myself, to let people know that I can cook and that I do know how to follow recipes. But if you don't give me the right recipe, it's not gonna come out right. Okay, so I'm gonna be back in 10 minutes to see if you can see that this is starting to thicken up. Okay, it's just been 10 minutes just now, and it just has finally started making some solids. So according to Angela, I have to switch this out, and I have to start whisking until it gets really, really, really thick, because it really won't thicken up anymore once we put it in the pie plate. Can you see that? It's making some whisk marks, is what she was talking about. We want this to be nice and thick. Oh my gosh, guys, I think I might have done it. Oh, God bless you, Angela, at the Art of Creation Homestead, for making me not feel like a butterscotch pie failure. Oh my gosh. So I feel like this is really pretty thick. So I have to take that off the heat. I hope it's thick enough. I'm so scared. She was right, exactly 10 minutes. I think she knows what she's talking about. Okay, so I gotta take it off the heat, and I need to add 3 tablespoons of butter and some vanilla. Okay, 3 tablespoons of butter. I should have had this ready, but I was scared to leave it. She told me I couldn't leave it. Okay, put these in there. And I gotta get some vanilla. It smells amazing. Okay, I'll get some vanilla. A couple capfuls of vanilla. Like I said, I made my very own pie crust. It turned out good. It's a little cracky, but that's okay. Okay, I really hope this is thick enough. It really feels like it is. Hope so. Okay, I'm gonna pour it in my pie crust. Okay, this is my homemade pie crust. See, it's got a few little cracks here and there, but it's okay. It's gonna be great. Okay. Here it goes. My dish might be a little bit too deep dish, but that's okay. That means we can put lots more whipped cream, because I am not doing the meringue. No way. I did not do good on the meringue. So, according to Angela, and I did know this trick, so you don't form a crust on top of your pudding type of pies. You're gonna put some saran wrap on it as it cools. Make sure all the air is out. And this is gonna cool at least 4 to 5 hours. Make sure there's no air pockets, so there's no crust. If there is, we gotta pull it up, get the air out, try again. Okay guys, 4 to 5 hours. We're gonna come back, we're gonna test it. We'll add some whipped cream on top. I think I did it this time. Okay, see you in about 4 or 5 hours. Okay guys, it's the next day, and I didn't have time to film yesterday after the 4 hours was done, but I knew even if it sat overnight, it would be even better. I took the plastic wrap off. There's no weird skin that formed at all because of the pudding. That saran wrap works wonderfully. Now, I didn't have any heavy whipping cream to whip up, but when I did the lemon trifle, I used the Dream Whip, and I had some left over. I had never used that before, so I'm like, why not? Let's try it with this. Because I didn't have Cool Whip either. So, we're gonna do this. Just to put it on top. Now my other video I did meringue. I'm not great at meringue and I didn't want to ruin this pie. So I am going to put all of this on top. Pretty. Now my pie plate I think was an extra deep one, so it didn't fill it completely, but that's okay. That is not going to change the taste. And I'm very thankful for Angela at the Art of Creation Homestead for her wonderful instructions on how to make this pie. Very easy to follow. So, just trying to make it look pretty. Then we're going to cut it and we're going to try it. Pretty. Okay. Now I feel like the real test is when you cut it to see if it all stays together. Just need a teeny tiny slice here. I can get it out. Kind of held together. Maybe let's use an actual spatula, so maybe that will help. Okay, let's try a good spatula here. Could be my pie crust too, but looks like it's holding together. Let's try it. Looks good. That's very good. It's not overly sweet. Has a beautiful creamy texture. I think that's really good. That Dream Whip isn't bad either. Okay guys, I'll have to have Steve's mom test this pie.
Delicious. She hit it. She hit it. She's got it.
At least I know that I was able to actually make a nice looking butterscotch pie that held together, that was very easy and very quick to do, extremely tasty. I just had to redeem myself to see if I could actually do a good butterscotch pie, and I feel like I did that. Thanks to Angela at the Art of Creation Homestead. Hey guys, here's my Butterscotch Redemption video. I hope you like it. Try it. Try this one. This one will actually work. If you are liking my videos, please consider subscribing, hitting the bell button so you always know when I am posting a video, and give me a big fat thumbs up if you like my videos. Thanks a lot, guys.